Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on this media channel. And today we are going to unbox, although I don't know if there's much to unbox to be honest, and discuss this new release from Sentai, Urusei Yatsura. Now, this is not the original Urusei Yatsura anime. This is the reboot that came out roughly a year and a half ago, something like that. And I want to discuss this because not only is it a great show, not only is it a great way to reboot something and bring it into the modern age, which was really difficult because things like cell phones and stuff didn't exist back then, this is kind of almost a great representation of just how affordable anime is today. Now, I see on X and Facebook a lot, especially about Crunchyroll raising prices, and most recently High Dive, which streams the show, are also raising prices. And they say things like, well, it's getting expensive. I guess I'll just go back to piracy. Guys, this is not one season. This is 2 seasons. It retails for $79.99. However, most places you can get it for less than $50. When the original Urusei Yatsura came to America and was being released on tape, it was like 2 episodes a tape. And the tapes would cost like $30, $35, and sometimes $40. So for the cost of what could have been 2 tapes and 4 episodes back then, we have a set with 2 seasons. Now, how many episodes is that? Well, let's see if we can find out. It's 23 episodes because these are short seasons. But yeah, so 23 episodes, and it's a Blu-ray. It's Region A, so it is region locked. I think it's interesting. It says all new series from the legendary creator Rumiko Takahashi. It's a remake of one of her very first series. And this is successful, by the way, and so I'm wondering if we're going to see like another reboot of either Meisani Koku or Ranma Half, although I have to say Ranma Half might be a particularly tough sell in today's market. And let's open this and let's see what it looks like on the inside. This is not some limited edition set, by the way, although I assume that if sales are not great, it will go out of print relatively soon. Sentai is one of those companies that makes sets, and they kind of make them based on demand. They will make a bare minimum, and then if it sells, they will make more. So anyway, this is the cover. I like the cover. I like the way the hair flows because the hair is kind of how you can tell that this is the reboot. Let's open the case, and we have artwork on the discs. We have the front cover there, and then we have other poses by Lum on other episodes. Now, some of these pictures might look suggestive, and they are, because some of the humor is suggestive. Rumiko Takahashi has a very suggestive sense of humor, but she also writes with a lot of heart and warmth, and it never goes too far, although they do deem this appropriate for ages 14 and up. You know, considering how many Blu-rays don't have artwork anymore, it's so nice to see that companies still take care to put these special labels on the discs themselves. There's no reverse artwork, but look, it's a decent size, and this is just, unfortunately because it's thick, it's hard to close sometimes, so you have to do that. But that is what the reboot of Urusei Yatsura looks like from Sentai. Now, the original series, which is what I think almost 200 episodes, if not more, is available in individual sets by Discotech. Maybe we'll look over those sets one of these days. Oh man, I hate it when that happens. Where did it chip off? Oh, it chipped off at the top. Darn it. Oh well. This is my point to tell people, because I'm autistic, so yeah, I'm a little snoobish. It's not a big deal. It's just a little piece of plastic. Just because this isn't in mint condition does not mean the material on the discs aren't worth watching. So anyway, I would like to know if you like this show, if you're going to buy this show. If you don't like it, I'd like to know why. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and See you next time and enjoy your physical media collection.